It's Avery.
And Thea.
And what time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Today, we are making Nutella, homemade Nutella.
So basically, on my channel, you might not know we have a channel yet, but me and Camden.
This is our third channel. First she had crazy cooking, then she had that, everything is awesome. Now it's fancy.
Yeah, but so now I have a YouTube channel with Camden, and so that channel I just did a collab with Avery, and we made some cookies. So now we're gonna make hazelnut spread to put on the cookies.
It's gonna be like a double chocolate cookies.
Yes.
So this is really healthy. It has a lot of coconut stuff in it. Like it has coconut milk. Instead of sugar, we have maple syrup. And yeah. So let's get started. Okay. So the first thing we're going to need is first we need to put the hazelnuts in a food processor. So we have one right here. So I don't know if you can really see it. There we go. So there we go. So we have 1 cup of hazelnuts. So I'm gonna pour it all in there. And so when we did this, we preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and we put it on a baking sheet, and then we roasted the hazelnuts for 10 to 12 minutes. Then after that was done, they all cooled down. Then we took all the skins off. That's how it's going to off. So what it says is to, and not all the skins will come off. As you can see here, it's okay. It's alright. Just try to remove most of them. Make sure to have a parent with you, because my mom's right there. And she's right there and she's watching us, so just make sure if you're making this, have a parent nearby. So we have to process it for 5 minutes until a thick butter forms, stopping occasionally to scrape down the sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula. So we have a rubber spatula right here, so let's just start for 5 minutes. So Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Second timer, 5 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so we just finished processing all of hazelnuts. I'm trying to get it out. Here we go. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It kind of looks like peanut butter. What do you say?
Yeah, it looks like it looks like no syrup peanut butter.
So it looks like that. So what we're gonna do now is, so we have a pan here because we're gonna put this on the stove, but we're just keeping it right here so you can see it. So we need to whisk coconut milk, maple syrup, cocoa powder, and salt. So the coconut milk, 1/3 of the cup. So only this much. So pour it in over here. Okay, so there's the coconut milk. We got coconut milk, and then we have maple syrup. So 3 tablespoons. So this is a tablespoon. Tablespoon. Okay, don't pour it in.
This?
Yep.
3? Well, I get it. Because it's heavy sugar, but
So there it is. Looks like, it just all got covered up, so you can't really see it. Next we have, okay, so we had 3 tablespoons. Now we have 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So you can just use this if you want to it.
I think it's actually about 3 tablespoons.
Yeah. And then we're
Wait,
going,
just one of these?
Yep. That's it. You roll way too much. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. We can take some out. That's gonna be salty. Okay, so we made the Nutella, and on her channel, as you already know, we made cookies. So make sure to go check out that out on Everything Is Awesome, not Everything Is Awesome, but TNC. Okay, so when we were putting in the ingredients, as you know, they had put in too much salt. So we just decided to stir it all up. So what we did is we put it in a pan, and then we whisked it all together. Then when it formed bubbles around the edges, we put it in the food processor and mixed it in with the hazelnuts. And then eventually it turned into this. Then we put it in the refrigerator.
But remember, it is way too much.
It's a little clumpy, and that's not all salt. That's just all Nutella. So we're gonna try some of her cookies, and then we're gonna have Nutella. Here it is. Oh, good. Very chocolatey. My first bite on her channel was a little bigger. This one's really chocolatey. So, it's good. Now we're gonna try some of my Nutella.
I'm scared.
Oh, so bad. It's salty. Alright, so question, shout out. What's the question, Thea?
Have you oversalted Nutella before?
We just did.
It's horrible. Never do it.
And the shout out goes to, I don't really know because the comments have been disabled. So there's nothing really else to say about